Hi, I'm Larissa from Wings Custom, and this is the Front King Rhino handlebar for your Road Glide. So today I'm going to show you some special details on this handlebar, talk more about the model, the diameter, and also what makes this handlebar special and perfect for a road glide. So as you can see here, this is a Front King handlebar. So the front curve goes here, and that's what makes the name of the bar. So Front King. The king comes from the straight at the top, right? So this is a Front King. And it's also a rhino. Let's understand better what rhino means. If you look closely to our tube diameter, it's a 2-inch diameter tube, which is approximately like this, 2 inches thick. Much more thicker than 1.5. That's what most handlebars are in the market right now. And much more thicker than the original one from Road Glide. That's 1 1/4. We can just compare here and you're going to see the difference. Comparing to the bars, the 2-inch is really thick and the 1 1/4, the original one, is just doesn't make sense with a bike as big as the Road Glide. And that's why the Rhino bars are perfect for your Road Glide. Other details that will make this handlebar perfect for your road glide are these here. We make a subtle reduction on the base so it fits with your back wing without any problems. So you won't have any problems of the handlebar sliding and kind of tickling off with the bat. Will fit like it should. We also have some details here for installation. With this hose at the bottom, you have more options for the installation. You have different angles you can put your handlebar on, so you have a better way to install and to put in a position that will be good for you while riding. There are other details too, like this reduction we make from the 2 inches to the 1 1/4, so it fits with your original riser and you don't have to change anything on your risers or like anything like that. And also the cross knurl that we have, that will make very adherent to the riser and will make your handlebar very stable. So when you install the handlebar on your bike, you'll just have a stable bar, a stable ride with precision measurements for your comfort, like 37.5 around to the tip to tip and 14 inches on the base. This is a 18 tall handlebar, so we measure from here to here, 18 tall. We can make them smaller if you prefer. We can make it to 10 inches, and we can also make it bigger. We could go to 20, even more. You just have to talk with the consultants on the web chat to check the options. Other details I want to show you that will make this handlebar perfect for a road glide is this little adjustment here that we need for the perfect installation on the road glide, and we take that into account when making the handlebar. We also have all the drillings, all the details needed, the cutouts needed, so it fits with your road glide. You can see that we do have this on both sides, so it's gonna fit your bike perfectly. Another detail is you can see that this is a very shiny painting. It's the gloss black one, and we paint with powder coating, so your handlebar will be 100% secure against rust, and will also be very shiny, very good finish, will resist the time very well. We can also make this handlebar in matte black if you prefer, and also in polished stainless steel. It's our option to chrome. It's much more resistant to the time, and it's not like a coat, it's actually a finishing, so will last much longer and you won't have any problems like rust or anything like that. But yes, other detail that these Rhino bars can do, it's the cables running through inside. If you see here, this handlebars has some drillings, and with these drillings here, and also in the base of the handlebar, this allows you to have your cables running inside the handlebars. And how this is possible? You can order your cable kit with us and your wiring kit with us, and we will send you the handlebar with all the cables run through already. So you can just install on your bike and it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, that's the Front King curve handlebar Rhino, amazing bar, perfect for a road glide. If you're interested in it, just let us know, send us a message on the chat. If you have any more questions, we are here to help you.